He is not having it. He's like, nope, I'm not ready.
He just rolled over.
Come here.
What's that? My ring.
The puppy getting you? Come.
This is the one who loved me. Mom, this is the one who loved me.
Push him away.
What do you think of this guy? Hi. Oh, you found a zipper.
I think I'll have to get acquainted.
Okay, guys. How about one of you pick us? How about that? That might be the easiest thing. Because you're all really friendly.
Which one of you is the most naughty? That's what I want to know.
I know, right?
Who's naughty?
Look at this one. Laying down. Are they?
What's about this one? Come on.
But you know what? They're not, maybe it's because they're inside, but they're not whining. Hear any whining?
Oh, it's because they're inside. You have me out of the garage. You can hear the other ones. They're whining.
Yeah.
Heaviest one for sure.
Baby in reverse.
Piper, come here.
Piper, come.
There's nothing you'll get in there that'll hurt you.
Pipe.
You might set the car alarm off. My kids have done that.
That was a complete and total.
Yeah, I know.
Bite
It
it,
was
bite
just that
it.
you didn't know how to turn it off. Why?
What grade are you in?
6.
6, alright.
Six.
Is that considered middle school or still
It's intermediate.
intermediate? Okay.
Yeah, they're 5th and 6th. They're
Okay.
separate.
Okay.
Oh, I think Riley would
You're
really like
cute.
one of you guys as a little brother.
Oh my God.
She's gonna go crazy.
Yes, the girls are out there crying because they're not in here. It's ridiculous.
I'm sorry. We won't take up much more of your time. We'll make it.
Yeah, we know. It's dinner time.
It
and-
is. It
I'm
was
talking the one
bedtime.
that gave me.
I left work early to
And
get.
a
I'm
Monday.
like, I'm leaving work. Sorry. This is more important.
What do you think?
This one?
It's
cute.
Looking at some? Were you looking at some more before or not? This
So,
is just.
well, just the other
Just,
breeder
Pipes,
that
come
we've
here.
been,
Hi.
that we got our other dog from, and we absolutely adore her. Gettysburg. Her name's Tara Meg Goldens is the name of the business, and she lives on a farm. She has, I don't know, 5 or 6 Goldens that are like her puppies, her dogs. Yeah, but yeah, miscarried every single one of them.
I
So
wonder what's going on there.
I don't know. She said it has never happened in the entire 20, 30 years she's been
Mom, do
breeding.
you
So.
think